Kaseng Congress jong gajala Meghalaya kalap petpau ke Jingshah Halor ke Jingshah Thombor ke Iingmane Chattisgarh Mpcc club thai khubor ha Southern kalaling kor 8,000 apply unayalam Kaseng Congress uba arviling do ulo ang baki beren kti hakani ka kam ki deben sha shitam na marbaro ki brio hakari India ki dani ka hak banbu lani ngai hakanu kanu ka jatnyam baki mon.
I'd like to condemn this act of vandalism, of atrocities against religious minorities, and we'd like to urge all the authorities concerned, right from the government of India, government of Chattisgarh, to take strict action against the culprits and arrest them and punish them as per the law. And we express our sympathy. We share our sorrow with the brethren in Chattisgarh, Jabalpur, who've had to face this atrocity, discrimination by the antisocial elements, who've even had the courage, temerity to vandalize a religious place. For the Christian community, that is a very, very sacred place. And this only shows the extent of the hate that is being spread in the country. And that's exactly what our leader, Rahul Gandhi, is trying to ensure, that this hate doesn't spread. Now its spread is come even to the extent of physically attacking the Christian minorities there, vandalizing the church there. Only shows to what extent this hatred has percolated in the country, where minorities who are very vulnerable, who have no means of protection, are being attacked, discriminated upon, physically attacked. So we express, with very deep concern for all these attacks on minorities, and we would like to request the Home Minister of the country, Shri Mpcc, to take action against the culprits and punish them. And we would like to request even our Honorable Prime Minister to ensure that there is protection for the religious minorities, for the Dalits, for the tribals of this country. So we're living in a secular country where everyone has the right enshrined in the Article 25 of the Constitution, religious freedom. And this only shows that that is being attacked. The Constitution is being assaulted. In fact, we're afraid that we will no longer get protection as per laws and acts enshrined in the Constitution.